Do this exercise consistently and you won't be facing heart attacks, strokes, leg issues, or blood pressure spikes. Your health will stay as solid as that of an astronaut. So what's the move you need to know about? Let's take a look. And more importantly, let's talk about why it matters. The squat is one of the best functional exercises for your lower body. It primarily targets your glutes, quads, and hamstrings, while also engaging your core. But the benefits go far beyond strength. Squats help boost your bone density, especially in your spine and lower body, which becomes more important as we age. They improve your posture, increase mobility, and make daily tasks like climbing stairs or standing up from a chair noticeably easier. And yes, squats also help you burn calories, supporting weight management and body shaping. Stronger glutes and thighs not only support movement, but also improve the way you look and feel. So whether you're an athlete, a beginner, or just someone trying to stay active at home, squats are for you. Start today. Just a few squats a day can transform how you move, feel, and live. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to see this.